great morning, great afternoon, and great evening, depending on the time you are joining us. Grade 3. We are onto our online mathematics class with Mr. Michael, your mathematics teacher. Today we'll be looking at the multiplication and division of decimal fractions. It's maths time, so suspend whatever you're doing and be attentive. Mathematics is fun, free on board. Come and have fun. Let's move on. First of all, before we talk about the multiplication and division of decimal fractions, let's look at some keywords. Multiplication, it is also means repeated addition. Division also means sharing. I give you a biscuit to share among. I know that everybody knows in terms of anything edible, we all know how to share. Though some people share it prankily, some share it tactically so they can have shares more than others. But sharing is sharing, whether it is equal or not, depending on how the statistics are given for you to share. Decimals comprise of two parts, the whole number and the fraction. The side before the decimal point is the whole number. After the decimal point becomes the fraction or the remainder. These two parts are separated by the decimal point. Then fractions. What are fractions? Fraction means part of a whole. Anything fraction is not whole, it's not complete. It's just part of that whole thing. It's just part of that complete thing, just like your hand. If they cut off your hand, you're no longer a complete human being. Every other thing is there, but your hand that is not there made you part of yourself. Because the hand they remove is part of your body. The hand is not complete. You that is remaining, you're equally a fraction because you are not complete. So both the hand is a fraction and you, your body, other part of your body, are still fractions because none of the two is complete. Now, multiplication of decimal fractions by one-digit number. We've done this several times. We multiply 1.55 by 4. This 4 is the one-digit number, while 1.55 is the decimal fraction. This decimal fraction, like we said earlier, 1 that we are seeing it is the whole number, while the 55 is the remainder or the fraction, being separated by the decimal point, 1.55. So the 55 there is not up to 1, it's less than 1. That is why it's called a fraction. Now, we have different methods. Number one, the first method, let's do it by ignoring the decimal point, because some people find it difficult to multiply with decimal point. They will not know where to place the first and second decimals. So what happens? Pretend as if there is no decimal point. Make it 155 multiplied by 4. It will give you 620. Then the decimal point is after the whole number. After the first digit, which is the whole number, comes the decimal point. Then you put a decimal point there. Instead of 620, your answer becomes 6.20, because 4 times 5 is 20. Write 0, take 2. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2, 22. Write 2 times and take another 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 2 that you took up, 6. Then bring your decimal point and put it after the first digit there. You have your answer correct to 2 decimal places. As simple as everything. Now we have the second method, known as the repeated addition, which we said is the meaning of division. The meaning of multiplication. When we are multiplying, we feel that we are not getting it right. For example, 1.55 multiplied by 4. That means you write 1.55 4 different places. Then you use it to do your addition. As the name implies, repeated addition. 1.55 plus 1.55 plus 1.55 4 times, you get it. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is what? 20. Write down your 0. Take 2, keep it on top. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. Plus that 2 on top, 22. Write down the 2. Keep the other 2 on top also. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus the 2, 6. You have 6.20. Just exactly the same answer that we have in English. So any of the methods that you use for your multiplication, you are correct. Very simple. So this is our first step to multiplication and division of fractions. Not just ordinary fractions, decimal fractions. As we proceed, we will learn more. My name is Mr. Michael. Do have a great day. Stay safe. Remain the good child that you are. Take good care of yourself. Bye.